Hey there folks, Lenny Rudo here for BoatUS Magazine. Today we're going to talk about the different steering system checks that you, me, and every trailer boater should make before they hit the road, in addition of course to following all of the manufacturer's recommendations. Come on, let's see what we got. The first thing you want to check for is get up in your boat, grab the wheel, and see if there's any excessive play in the system. Not only does excessive play make steering the boat tougher, it can also indicate loose linkages and other issues in your steering system. Second, if you have a hydraulic system, you'll want to check the lines and the fluid levels every 50 hours or so. Another item you want to check every 50 hours or so is the lubrication on your steering system. Hit those Zerk fittings with a little bit of grease. You'll want to give a visual inspection to all of your cables, make sure you don't spot any kinks, and also check all your connections, make sure everything is firm and tight. Finally, take that wheel and give it a full lock-to-lock turn. Just make sure that everything is working smoothly. These are pretty simple checks, folks. The truth of the matter is you're most likely to recognize issues as they come up in your steering system when you're out on the water using your boat. So naturally, if anything feels a little different or a little funny as you run your boat, take it in for service ASAP. Well, we hope this video has been helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to the BoatUS YouTube channel. Even leave us some comments in the box below and let us know what you'd like to hear about next.